Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2017 Lamborghini Aventador LP 750-4 SV Edition Roadster. Equipped with a 6.5-liter, 750 horsepower V12 engine and a 7-speed ISR transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Verde Singh exterior color and Nero Cosmus Alcantara interior with contrast stitching throughout. This SV Roadster is in light new condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, rear camera, factory race exhaust, carbon fiber removable roof panels, SV Ad Personam exterior, branding package, Lamborghini Sound, multifunction steering wheel and leather, electric and heated seats, Dianthus 20 and 21-inch black painted forged wheels, gray calipers, big SV painted logo, X-frame and T-engine cover in carbon fiber, transparent engine bonnet, and much more.